gathered here today to celebrate not only Ruchi and Eric's marriage, but the joining of two wonderful families, two rich cultures, and two ancient traditions. It's a sign of great strength. They chose to blend both of their traditions, symbolizing the intertwined nature of their marriage. Despite some theological differences, Hinduism and Judaism actually share many core tenets. Both place an enormous emphasis on family, both emphasize the holiness of a marriage union, and both mark this important day with rituals that have endured over thousands of years. It is said in Hindu tradition that the father of the bride has to give away his most precious gift, his daughter, in order for her to receive great prosperity and good fortune in her future.
You often wonder as a parent just how well your children will turn out. You wonder what sort of life decisions they will make, especially those that you have no control over. Well, for that's what is worth, your mom and I think you made a cracking choice. Eric, we are excited to have you become part of our family. And starting from today, you have a big responsibility. My responsibility is yours now.
When asked to define marriage, Eric writes, "Marriage is feeling like I've won the lottery by merely waking up next to Ruchi. When that feeling actually grew stronger as I got to know her better, I knew I wanted to marry her." And Ruchi writes, "Marriage is choosing to be wholly present, to stay and fight, even in times of difficulty, to cherish the other when it may be easier to just expect, and to love with vulnerability."
Eric, you've never questioned whether we would end up together. You've never questioned whether we were the real deal. I feel so lucky to have found you, and even more grateful that you've chosen me to be your partner in life. I know I've said this to you a million times. Marriage is a choice. It's a promise we make to each other to stay firm in times where it feels like the world has turned its back on us. The reality is that all marriages have their cycles of peaks and valleys. For us, the almost 4 years we've shared together thus far have been a testament to how far we've come and a demonstration of our strength, support, compassion, and love for one another. And I'd choose you in 100 lifetimes in 100 worlds.
Let me start by saying I'm definitely gonna cry if I haven't done so already. And it literally says here, like, when Ruchi's vows make you all misty-eyed and you start getting nervous because everybody in their mossy is watching, do the following. Look into Ruchi's eyes, breathe, and smile. Ruchi, I love you because every time I look into your eyes, I know that everything will always be okay. You are my biggest advocate and cheerleader, my closest confidant, and hands down the brightest and most beautiful person I have ever met. So, the recipe to get through anything, overcome any obstacle, for me is just so simple. Look into Ruchi's eyes, breathe, and smile. Ruchi, when I tell you I love you, I don't say it out of habit or to make conversation. I say it to remind you that you are the best thing ever to happen to me. You are the strength I didn't know I needed and the joy I didn't know I lacked. Today, I choose to spend the rest of my life with you. Ruchi, I love you, always and forever. Para siempre.
Ruchi, do you take Eric to be your lawfully wedded husband, to care for him despite life's struggles, in sickness and in health, for richer or poorer, for as long as you both shall live?
Of course.
Eric, do you take Ruchi to be your lawfully wedded wife, to care for her despite life struggles, in sickness and in health, for richer or poorer, for as long as you both shall live.
Absolutely.
By the power vested in me, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Eric, you may kiss the bride.